Things first, I appreciate your support. Hope you guys are good. Now, this is a Samsung washer, quite an old model, 10 years plus. So, when you pour it on, it fills water, but the drum won't rotate. If you put it on spin, same thing, it will drain all the water. Like that is 12. That is spin, 12 minutes spin, 1200 revolution. So it will drain all the water. You hear the pump running. Then it stops, no error code. So I'll show you how to troubleshoot. So things we look at: if the drum is not rotating, you test it with a spin. So if it drains and won't spin, we look at the motor. Two things: either the belt is off the pulley, but if the belt is off the pulley, you should hear the motor running. So we'll check the motor. Then from the motor, we'll check the carbon brushes. So I mean, if the drum is not moving, you look at the motor. So on this old model, first we look at the carbon brushes. If the carbon brushes are worn out, the machine drum won't rotate, the motor won't move. If the carbon brushes are okay, we check the motor. If the motor is okay, then we'll consider that is a power control panel issue. So on this one here, we start with the motor. So what we're going to do is power it off. Then we're going to pull it out. And then we unplug the water pipe and also remove it from power. Very important. You need gloves.
Inafanya unaiweka on, unasikia vile
This is our toolbox. We need our start. Remove the back panel. So we have 4 screws. These two. Once you remove all the screws, you pull these out. This is soot. And when you see soot on your washing machine, definitely carbon brushes are worn out. So what you're going to do, you're going to remove the belt. You rotate the belt, the pulley, as you pull it out, like that. So what you're going to do is you unplug this, the adding harness to the motor, and then this is number 10. We remove this and this. So you're going to pull these out. Ensure you have gloves. This is very sharp. I have so many injuries because of this. Sure you get gloves. So this is our motor. So we're going to look at the carbon brushes. With a flat screwdriver, last time, remove this. Not bad. There you go. Completely worn out. So the way the carbon brushes work, they attach to the armature, so it sends communication from this side to this side to complete that circuit. So from this side to this side. So this one is worn out, but still can work. This one is completely worn out. So we're going to change this, put it on a spin, and then now we see the way it runs. So if you change the carbon brushes and the motor doesn't rotate, then you'll have to get another motor. Provided there is power that is coming from the control panel to this, you change this. But if the motor is okay and the machine is not spinning, then you change the control panel. But on this, you're going to change the carbon brushes. We test, and then we see the way the machine behaves. Sorry guys, I forgot to pause my phone, and it has been recording. Sorry. Now, so what we're going to do is this. Before we replace with the new carbon brushes, I'm going to try with this. This one is used, but still works perfectly. So we're going to try this before we replace with the new carbon brushes.